Hey self-publishing navigators, I'm travel humour writer Simon Michael Pryor, and this video is about unboxing the Neewer 12-inch RGB ring light. Before we go any further, it'd be great if you could tap the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Alright, I'm massively excited because my new ring light's arrived, so let's open the box and have a look inside. This box is impossible to open, tear it. Okay, there we go. Alright, inside we have got all sorts of bits and pieces. Right, okay, let's see what we've got. Okay, we've got a remote control of some sort with lots of complicated looking buttons. Another remote control which has only got 2 buttons and another packet. We've got some sort of black fiddly thing with stuff on it. We'll have to have a look at what that is later. We have got, okay, I think I know what this is. So this looks remarkably like the mini tripod that comes with the ring light. Let's open it up, just have a quick look. Yep, that's definitely a tripod. Alright, we'll put that to one side. God knows what that is. We'll have an investigate of that with instructions later. And then here we've got the ring light itself. Right, now we'll just take it out of the packaging. So that's the back, that's the front, there's the lighty up bit, and there's some exciting buttons there which we can press, find out what they are later on. Oh, there's one other piece of black plastic, and that's obviously the phone holder. We'll assemble that later. And then there's some pieces of paper, most of which are of absolutely no use to you whatsoever, and something that you shouldn't eat. There we go. So there you have it, self-publishing navigators. That was unboxing the 12-inch Neewer ring light. Watch the next video to find out all about how to set it up. Bye bye for now. If you'd like to find out more about me or the fun travel books that I write, please visit me at simonmichaelpryor.com or search for my books on Amazon under Simon Michael Pryor. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.